Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ages Kingdom. In this class, I would like to continue the topic from data collection methods for nursing research for 4th years, and the same topic is included even in education communication technology, and even it is used in first year foundations also. Methods of assessment, in that it's one of the method, observation method. So let's move on to the method. So when we discuss about observation method, it is very easy topic and several times asked question also. No need of by hearting anything, because when you want to assess somebody or when you want to use observation as a method in your research or in your project work, how you observe and what are the methods you are using for observation, what are the advantages. If you use a observation method, suppose I want to study a first year BSc nursing behavior of the students. So if I am using the observation method, what are the things I will observe, and what are the characteristics or criteria I have to follow while observation, what are the types of observation. So like this you have to understand in a general way. This is a very general topic. Let's move on to the topic. So what is observation? It's a systematically, we can say the word observe means to notice. Observe means to notice. So observation is a technique for collecting the data or acquiring the information through occurrence that can be observed through senses, with or without mechanical devices. Mechanical devices means you can consider as a CC cameras and all. Sometimes with your own senses, you can observe, you can listen, you can see, you can feel, you can touch. Okay, so these are the, call it as a to notice. It's a method of collecting the data from the samples or the objects by using of your senses, with or without mechanical devices. It is a two-part process to collect the data for study. That includes an observer. Definitely, observer should be there. Someone who is observing and observed. Then there is a something to observe. So that's the two things compulsory when you want to do observation method. What are the uses of observation method means? It will help to understand the ongoing process or situation. When you are observing, it will help you to evaluate or understand the ongoing process or situation, and it helps to gather the data in the individual behaviors, especially interaction with the peoples, and to know about physical settings and data collection. Where other methods are not available, then data collection method is the best suitable and easy method for collecting the data. Then what are the types of observations? Usually, being a principal, I will observe some of the faculty. So if I'm just randomly observing the faculty in the staff room, it's called unstructured observation. Unstructured observation. Sometimes systematically I want to evaluate a one faculty regarding their performance appraisal. Let's call it as a structured observation, because I am going to observe only on special aspects, and in a systematically I will observe it. Whereas participant observation means here they know that we are observing. Sometimes non-participant observe. It is my baby, with the help of CC cameras. With the help of CC cameras, we will do. So structured observations are, in this method, researcher or the teacher is preparing a structured or semi-structured tool in advance to observe the phenomena under the study. What you want to observe or what you want to collect the data regarding that, you will make a set of instructions or set of questions to observe. So which includes checklist, rating scales, and category systems. Whereas unstructured means its method is generally used in qualitative studies where observation is made with minimal structure, because we don't prepare any questionnaire or all those things. And it includes log and field notes, anecdotal notes, field diaries, or video recordings. And participant observations are always historically field and ethnographical researcher have been associated most strongly with the participant observations, where observer may live or work in a field and actively participated in ongoing activities for an extended period. So it includes video recording, tape, field diary, then field notes, logbooks. This is all comes under participant observations. And non-participant observations means it's a type of observation work as an eavesdropper, where an attempt is made to observe the pupils without interacting with them. The best example I can say is CC cameras. So here there are categories of observation methods are there. The first method is narrative observation, means it can be not summary type of things. It can be in a one particular situation, in a one program or in any dance or in any situation, how an individual is interacting in a narrative way, that is called field notes or anecdotes. Whereas sample observations means it is by rating scales, checklist, event sampling or time sampling. So that's the other thing. And already advantages is it's a simple method and easy method for observing the individuals or for collecting the data, and it requires a less time for preparation, and it can be used anywhere in any settings. It can be illiterates or non-illiterates also, and it improves the researcher results also. And researcher can use any current informations, and he can use with or without electronic devices also, this can be used. And disadvantages is Hawthorne effect, means here sorry. So here there is a, because somebody is observing means there is a chances of behaving in a different way, and there may be a wrong interpretations can be there, and it is a time consuming and expensive, and does not enhance the clear cut understanding of why people behavior is like that. So because already said there is a misinterpretations can be there. So this is all about observation method from the data collection methods of nursing research, and in the second year CET and first year nursing foundation subject. And you can just listen and write the exam. And if you really like my class, please do subscribe. Thank you.